Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you doing all?
Fine. And you?
I'm doing well. My name is Kushal, and we are playing debate, a paid debate basically. And I'm in the favor of wine should not be banned, and he is in the favor of wine should be banned.
Yes.
Let's get started by him.
So as I'm in favor of this wine should be banned, so there are several reasons why wine should be banned. See, the one of the biggest reason is that the people are too much addicted towards this wine, which is not good for their health, which is not good for
Addiction
their.
is not like that. Means wine, it's not a cause of addiction. Addiction could be your stress. Addiction could be your job stress. Addiction could be of your means career stress. That it is not.
It is a kind of poison which people are taking these days.
What kind of what are you saying? Poison means
People
how
are
it can
take-
be poison. Means in the military say there is a place Siachen Glacier. If you go there, so there you can find many means army mans. They because of their health they have to take. This is the compulsion, and because of this.
This is the compulsion of them. That's why they need to take. They have to drink. They have to means not drink the drum. If I talk about the Delhi people, there isn't any requirement to drink on daily basis, but people are drinking on daily basis. Which what the thing is that, yeah?
See, as you said about the Delhi sea, so I can also say that that's a one kind of source of income. Delhi government is earning in means many crores. The tax of
What is the benefit of having? What is the benefit of having income from these the unknown resources where people are just dying in and the violence is increasing, domestic violence is increasing?
I have told you already this. This is because of this. Violence is not a part of this. Because of its government is means earning money. Government is taking many of taxes. Because of it, government is earning in the profit. If there is no wine, if there is no tax, so government will be in the loss. They have many.
See, I think I have also studied little bit about the economics that the second largest income source of the government is the railway, and railway is the one of the biggest revenue source of the income. And if we increase the level of the railway, so definitely we will have a most means having a more revenue in terms of the railway.
You may have forgot that how much cases we have seen about the railway. See, if wine is that much bad, so why everyone is taking? If it is that much bad and if it is that much poison as you have said, so why everyone is taking? Why everyone wants to take? Because they want to remove the stress. They want to.
As you said that rail accident. So have you seen that the drunk accident which you get to see in the roadside? That people drunk and they drive the car and they rush the driving just because of that. And recently we have come across one case. This is posh driving case.
See, if you don't know about the limit, you will get the driver. You will get the tracker of this. Means why are you whitewashing this? You are just throwing your bowls and just put off your bowls at your pocket. Let's listen me first. If you don't know the limit,
why would I listen to you first?
So you will not see the limitations
because I am in favor of that wine should be banned. So I have to speak about this. I have to speak on this, that why there is a reasons of why wine should be banned.
That's why I am saying why it should not be banned, because there are some many points. For example, if there is a limit that it's from this limit you must take this. But if you go out of this, if you go more of this, that definitely you will get the demerits. Definitely you will get the cause of it, negative causes. So why are you taking in a negative way? You must take it.
Everything has a two faces. One is negative and second one is positive. But I would personally think it has a most of the negative points. The wine has a most of the negative points instead of having a positive points. Then let's take the example of the orange. That santra. It is called in Hindi santra. Those who have taken this, they are just enjoying.
Say whatever you want to say about them, they just want to spoil their life. They don't have any kind of dreams. They don't have any kind of career options. They just want to have like a kidney type and they just want to spread it. This is not like that. If you are earning in good money, so you must buy in the thousands. There are also good brand values.
So somehow that is also going to be impact on your face. That is also going to be impact on your body. You will somehow lose your lungs power. This which is really important nowadays, that people are very not possessive for their body organs, which is really important these days.
See, you are saying about the body. So you may have visited in any party. You may have seen in the many parties the wines are are kept there, and means everyone is allowed to take that, because then it is a one kind of entertainment, it's a one kind of source. Means you do means 9 to 5 job, you don't have any time to spend with your family, you must take a little chance, you must take a little means option to.
I have also seen so many people who drunk and then they go to the party, and they means not destroy the decorum of the party. They means not they do several things which is not expectable from them, those who have drunk. And those who are not drinking, they always maintain the level of the decorum, they always maintain the decorum of the party.
See, why are you not understanding my point? I said the limitation. If you drink it in the limit, that will not harm you. If you limit means, if you are not understanding the limit.
But you are not also understanding that people doesn't have a limit, they always drink over the limit.
Is this the fault of wine?
Yes.
How can you say that is this the fault of wine?
Because of the, if there is a limited
See,
wine,
this is the people's ideology. If you have set your mind that I want to take in means every day I want to take means 10 liters per day, obviously it will harm you. You will be in the shady.
okay, yeah, that is what I am telling you, that people are totally addicted towards this. People are consuming it on daily basis. Just because of that, people are enjoying their organs.
Because of this, you cannot
Clap for everyone.